greatest story ever told. I see the stars shining bright, lighting up this Christmas night, guiding me away from harm into my new family's arms, from the shelter to a home. Here I go to a place that's warm, where I see a tree which an angel adorns. My family says that they love dogs. They saw this tree topper on a blog. They say it funded meals for dogs in need. It filled shelter dog bellies for pups like me. Remembering my time when I was alone, when I wasn't loved and had no home, I'm grateful for the meals that kept me alive. Now I have my family by my side. Some might say gifts are just gifts, but these mean way more. Every item gives meals when you shop at their store. Thank you, heroes, and to all of those who shop at the store that saves lives, iHeartDogs. So shop and spread some Christmas cheer to shelters by filling pups' bellies this year. The end.